Hi everybody, Vern here with Martin, who we did your install. It was about a week ago today.
Yes.
So if you see the preliminary video, you're going to see his reaction to it. But it's the first time that I really have seen you and had a chance to talk to you.
Yes, absolutely.
Have you, for like an actual competition, have you worn your hair yet with really gelled up and like a really more formal look? Because I love the look that you have going right now, but I think for competition,
It's very different.
Yeah.
It's kind of like when you do that for, I haven't done it yet because the thing that made the impetus for this is that we watched our videos and we didn't like our dancing, and we said we don't show up on the floor. So those two things we had to change. And so to show up on the floor, to look competitive, we needed a new look, which is why Natalie's going blonde, and why I'm getting a wonderfully coiffed piece of hair. And so but when you do the hair, you actually have to slick it down. Like, I was actually talking to your technician again because she was fluffing it up, and I was like, this is different than what I'm used to, because even when we go to the studio and I teach, I do it more like the classic look, like classic gel back. It looks like a helmet. It looks like a hair helmet because you don't want it to move. And that's what it's going to be. What we'll probably be able to do, and I'll get a video of this for you for sure, is in 2 weeks I compete with students. So me and Natalie have to change our dancing as well. So we're not going to compete for a while. But I will definitely have this hair, and I'll definitely do it for my competition with students, and we'll get to see a version of that for sure.
Speaking of your students, what are some of the reactions of the students who saw you for however many years?
Absolutely, yes.
With less hair, and all of a sudden you show up one day with
the funniest thing that I've heard, and I don't know if it's Minnesota nice or if it's just them honestly not paying attention to my hair. And many of them go, "Wow, that's a different haircut." And I look at them and I go,
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm like, "You're kidding me. Like, are you just trying to be nice?" And a lot of them go, "No, oh, that's right. I always just thought you cut your hair short. Or like you were thinning and you cut your hair short." And then they think about it and they're like, "Oh yeah." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm bald," and they don't have an adverse reaction to that. But it was very interesting to see how people didn't really have that huge of a reaction.
Yeah.
It was mostly the students, the everyday people. They just saw Martin, you know what I mean? And they go, "Oh, that's a new style. How'd you do that?" And that's great. I think it's going to be a great thing for my business. I think it's going to be a great thing for my professional career. And I love the way it looks. I love the way it moves. I love what it does for me in the ballroom.
I just thought about this. You're going to need new business cards. Because I took your business card.
That's true, yes.
And it's without hair.
Oh, that's going to be fun.